In this video we will discuss about the basic concepts of generalized discriminant analysis, working concepts of GDA, types of kernel functions, applications, advantages, disadvantages of GDA. Next we discuss about the basic concepts of GDA. Generalized discriminant analysis, GDA, is a commonly used method for dimensionality reduction, also known as kernel discriminant analysis, KDA. GDA is an extension of LDA to nonlinear distribution, since conventional LDA is not suitable for nonlinear datasets. GDA deals with nonlinear discriminant analysis using kernel function operator. The objective of GDA is to find nonlinear projection that simultaneously maximizes the between-class dissimilarity and minimizes the within-class dissimilarity to increase class separability. The main idea is to map the input space into a convenient feature space in which variables are nonlinearly related to the input space. The working of GDA involves two steps. In step 1, the kernel function is applied to the data to map to a high-dimensional data space to obtain a new feature space. Then LDA is applied to the high-dimensional data. LDA working concepts are explained in other video in this channel. If necessary, can refer from that video. There are 4 kernel functions that can be applied in GDA. They are linear kernel, polynomial kernel, Gaussian radial basis function, Gaussian kernel. GDA can be applied in face recognition and detection, classification of seeds, classification of malignant and benign cluster microclassifications, digit recognition, palm print recognition. The disadvantages of GDA are it is highly expensive and the result is dependent on the choice of kernel function. The advantages of GDA are it can be used for supervised and nonlinear problem for feature extraction and for classification end. Even though some issues, like the selection of the kernel function, call for further investigation, the GDA approach provides an accurate answer, and it allows us to consider multiple variables when making predictions. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe this channel and press the bell button.